I'm Nimi here from Nimisat. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw Buzz the Lightyear with different shapes. And I'm using Oil Pastel for this drawing. You can check the description for all the material list. So let's get started. These are the materials I'm using for today's drawing. And if you want to preserve your work, use this spray. And please check the description for all the informations. Let's start the sketching. So take your pencil and eraser. Draw these shapes very lightly. So first I'm drawing a trapezoid shape. It's almost the same shape. And legs with big rectangle shape. And oval shape for foot. Arms with curved rectangle shape. Then another small rectangle here at the bottom. Now we need to draw a big circle. So we finished our basic shapes. So take your eraser, clean up the sketch. Now I'm going to add few more details. So make a rectangle-like shape here. I'm going to make this one a little bit more longer. Here I'm making a curved line. Then we'll draw the nose in the middle. So we will draw just a small L shape, and the mouth is more like a rectangle shape. So you can draw two big circles on either side of this nose. The eyeball is in the middle. The eyebrow is very special. So one eyebrow is kind of like this, and one eyebrow is like this. So it's giving a nice expression on the face. And a small dash on either side of this mouth. And he has this little cute detail on the chin, a small swirl. And you can draw a rectangle shape for ears, thin rectangle, okay? Now we can add the details on the body. So first I'm drawing a line here in the middle. And one more line here. And for this area we need to draw two lines. I'm leaving a small gap here and small gap here, two lines in the middle. And for this area I'm adding one band. Now we can add details on the legs. So first I will draw a small oval here closer to the foot, okay, and two lines from side, same thing. And here in the middle add a small half circle and lines on both sides. And in the middle you can add a line, a long line that goes through this. So we will draw one line inside, one line here too. So we will draw one line in the middle and a small rectangle shape here and another line that goes through here. And we have three buttons on the side and a small circle button on the other side and two bands here. That is two purple colored lines that go through the side. These corners slightly rounded. Here in the middle draw one line, then one line at the top and one line at the bottom. Green square, and here we need three lines. I'm erasing half of it, so this line will be here. We can add a rectangle here in the middle, okay? I have completed my sketching. Now we're going to finalize the drawing. Before that, just look at the drawing in distance. So you can stand up and look at your drawing, or you can keep it upside down. Sometimes it is really hard to understand the mistakes of your own drawing. So look at your drawing in a different perspective and finalize the drawing before you do Sharpie. I'm adding a slanting line over here. And we will make the sides of this shape curved. Yeah, it's good. Now take your Sharpie and outline the sketch. So we have completed the coloring. I hope you enjoyed it. And for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. And if you want to learn more about each medium, you can check our regular classes at nimisart.com. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another fun art tutorial.